G'day guys, in this tutorial I'm just going to run through how you can log into a separate Google account so that you can access a different set of Google Chrome login credentials, data, so on and so forth. And the reason that we would do this is, for example, if you have, say, a business email account running through Google, like I do, and you also have a personal Google account running through Google, like it might be a Gmail or it might be a personal G Suite or Google Workplace email address. What you don't want to do is actually be able to access them both from the same window here, because you're sharing your Google Chrome browser history, Chrome data, plugins that you've got running, extensions, so on and so forth. So I'm currently logged into my work address here, and if I go to my email, you'll see this is my work email. So this is all the work emails here, but if I want to log into my personal email, what I don't want to do is open a new tab or go up here, and you can actually add an account here, but then I'm going to have, there's going to be a mix-up when I want to use some of my Chrome extensions and things like that, because it won't be logged in. So the way around that is, up the very top here in your Google Chrome browser, you can actually click on this button here, and you can see I've added a whole bunch of different Google Chrome profiles, and I can navigate directly to any of them. And the way you do it is you just click on add here and you go through the setup process. It's really quite simple. But you can see here, if I jump into my personal email, it straight away opens up my personal email account. And likewise, I can jump from there into a number of different email addresses, our reseller account, my other Gmail account, so on and so forth. So that's a much better way to do it, and it keeps it separate. And then you can have those separate Chrome extensions running set up to that actual email account, which is a much better way and a much cleaner way of doing it. Thank you.